While you're reading, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, write a comment, and share this video. Your support helps us create more relaxing yoga sessions for you. Morning Energy Light. Let's begin. Sunrise Reach. Stand tall and lift your arms toward the sky, as if greeting the morning sun. Stretch through your fingertips and take a deep, refreshing breath. Morning Balance. Stand tall and shift your weight onto one leg. Lift the other foot slightly and find your center. Breathe calmly as you balance with focus and ease. Soft side stretch. Stand tall and reach one arm overhead, gently leaning to the side. Feel the lengthening along your body as you breathe deeply. Forward flow. Inhale to lengthen your spine, then exhale as you fold forward, letting your head and arms relax. Move with ease and steady breath. Open heart lunge. Step into a lunge and open your chest by lifting your arms and gaze upward. Breathe deeply, feeling energy flow through your heart and spine. Calm expansion. Inhale as you open your arms wide and lift your chest. Exhale, grounding your feet and relaxing your shoulders. Feel calm energy spreading through your body. Morning Triangle. From a standing position, step your feet wide apart, extend your arms out, and tilt your body over one leg. reaching your hand down and the other up. Breathe deeply and awaken your body with calm focus. Flowing half moon. Shift from standing into a graceful balance. Lift one leg behind you while opening your chest and raising one arm toward the sky. Move softly with your breath, feeling light and free. Dynamic chair. Bend your knees and sink your hips as if sitting on an invisible chair. Inhale to lift your arms. Exhale to lower slightly. Flow with steady energy. Gentle twist. Sit tall, lengthen your spine, and softly twist to one side. Breathe deeply, feeling the gentle release through your back. Tree of light. Stand tall on one leg, placing the other foot on your inner thigh or calf. Bring your hands together at your chest or extend them overhead. Feel your balance and inner strength. Morning stillness. Stand or sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Feel the calm energy of the morning flowing through your body.